Welcome back, friends. Previously we learned application of equation. In that we generate the equation from the statement and then we solve the equations. Today we will start exercise 4.4 in which statements are given. You need to write equation and solve the equation. Okay. Whenever you want to write the equation from the statement, read this statement twice. બે વાર પહેલા તો સ્ટેટમેન્ટ રીડ કરવાનું અને વિચારવાનું અને પછી ઇક્વેશન્સ લખવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કરવાનું. ઓકે, you need to do more practice for this kind of example. આ ટાઈપના એક્ઝામ્પલની તમારે સૌથી વધારે એક્ઝામ્પલની પ્રેક્ટિસ કરવાની. ઓકે, so here set up an equation and solve them to find unknowns. First is add 4 to 8 times the number, you get 60. We already learned how to write equation for this kind of statement. So statement is what? Add 4 in which 8 times the number. Which number? You need to take 8 times of number. But which number? It is not given, so you can write that number is x. 8 times 8 times of x, that is 8x. Now in 8x, that is 8 times of number, you need to add 4. So add 4 to 8 times x, that is 8x plus 4, you get 60. So we can write 8x plus 4 is equal to 60. Now we have equation and we know how to solve the equation. 4 is an addition, on right side it becomes subtraction, transpose method. So 8x is equal to 60 minus 4. 8x is equal to 56. Now we need to find x variable. So we need to move 8 from the left side. It will be in a divide because 8 is in a multiplication. So x is equal to 56 by 8. 8 sevens are, so x is equal to 7. It means number is 7. If you want to check your answer that your answer is correct or not, you need to follow the statement, that is 8 times 7. 8 sevens are 56 plus 4. Sum of 56 plus 4. You will get 60. This your answer is correct. Now next one, question number 2. 1/5 of a number minus 4 gives 3. 1/5 of number. Which number we don't know? So let number is m. You can take any value. 1/5 of m, that is, you can write m by 5 also or 1 by 5 m also. 1/5 of m is 1 by 5 m. You can write m by 5. Of number minus 4. So it means m by 5, that is 1/5 of m minus 4 will give m by 5 minus 4. Okay? Gives 3. It means m by 5 minus 4 is equal to 3. So we need to solve this equation. Minus 5 is there, on right side it become plus. Minus 4 is there, on right side it become plus 3 plus 4. m by 5 is equal to 7. Now 5 is in a divide. Need to multiply. m is equal to 7 by 5. So m is equal to 35, which is the number. If you want to check your answer, 35, 1 by 5 of 35. If you divide 35 by 5, you will get 7. Minus 3, 7 minus 4, 7 minus 4, which is 3, means your answer is correct. કેવી રીતે આન્સર ચેક કરવાનો? m by 5, that is 35 we get here. 35 by 5 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. Now next, question number 3. If I take 3/4 of a number, 3/4 of number, but which number? We don't know. So let number is x. Let number is x. 3/4 of x. You can take any variable. 3/4 is like this. X is 3 by 4x to it. So add 3. 3 to 3 by 4 x will be 3 by 4x plus 3. I get 21. 3 by 4th of x, add 3, you will get 21. So equation will be 3 by 4x plus 3 is equal to 21. Now we have equation. We need to solve this equation. 3 is an addition, becomes subtraction. By 4x is equal to 80. Now 4 is in division, become multiplication. Now 3 is in a multiplication, become division. So it is 24. What is the number? It is 24. You can check your answer by write value of x here 24. If you get 21, then your answer is correct. અહીંયા 24 લખવાના. જો આન્સર 21 આવે તમારો આન્સર કરેક્ટ. So 6 4s are 24, 6 3s are 18 plus 3 21. Now next, when I subtract 11 from twice a number, what number we don't know, so let number is x. Twice the number, twice means 2 times. Twice of number, that is 2x. Subtract 11 from 2x. Subtract 11 from twice the number, you will get 2x minus 11. The result was 15. So answer is 50. Subtract 11 from 2 times x, you will get 15. To solve this equation, 11 is in subtraction, become addition on right side. 15 plus 11, 2x is equal to 26. Now we need to find x, so 2 will be in a division. If you cut the common factor, you will get 30. So number is 30. Now next is Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebook he has from 50. He finds the result to be 8. Be careful whenever you write the equation. Here what is the statement? Munna subtracts thrice the number of notebook. What? How many numbers of notebook he has? We don't know. But you need to take thrice of number of notebook. Okay? Number of notebook jitla पण असे एना thrice. So let the number of notebook is x. Thrice of number of notebook. Thrice of x, that is 3x. It is subtracted from 50. Means 3x is subtracted from 50. 3x is subtracted from 50. Means 50 માંથી 3x subtract કરવાની છે. That's why you can write this 50 minus 3x. Be careful whenever you write the equation like this. 3x is subtracted from 50. So you cannot write 3x minus 50 because you already learned subtraction is not commutative. So 50 minus 3x. The result is to be 8. Answer is what? 8. Munna subtract 3 times number of notebook from 50. So 50 minus 3x is equal to 8. Now what we need to find? X. Remove the numbers 1 by 2. So 50. What is the sign of 50? Plus. So it will be subtraction minus 3x as it is. 8 minus 50. Minus 3x. 8 minus 50 will be 42. But it is negative. We learn the integers. Bigger number is 50. So sign of answer will be minus 42. Now minus 3 in a division. Minus 42 minus 3. And minus minus will be cancelled out. So answer is 40. So what is the number of notebook? X. So number of notebook is Now question number 6. Usha thinks the number she add 19 to it. She thinks the number and add 19 to it. So which number she thinks we don't know. So let number is x. Add 19 to it. So add 19 to x, that is x plus 19. And divide the sum by 5. This is the sum, divide it with 5. Divide x plus 19 by 5. You will get x plus 19 divide. You need to divide sum. બંનેનું sum ને divide કરવાના છે. Means you need to write x plus 19 by 5. She will get 8. So x plus 19 divide 5 is equal to 8. Now first of all, here 5 is in whole division. આપણે આગળના એક્ઝામ્પલમાં શું કરતા હતા? પહેલા 19 લઈ જતા હતા અને પછી જો 5 હોય તો 5. બટ એ ક્યારે કરે? જ્યારે આવું હોય ત્યારે. Okay, when 5 is in a denominator of only x. x ના ડિવાઇડમાં જ 5 હોય તો ખાલી 19 પહેલા પેલી બાજુ લઈ જવાનું અને પછી 5 ને મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરો. But here 5 is in a denominator of whole term. That's why you need to take 5 on right side first, that become multiplication with 8. અહીંયા 5 whole divide માં છે એટલે પહેલા 5 ને right side ઉપર લઈ જવાનું and it become a multiplication. So x plus 19 is equal to 8 multiplied 5. X is plus 19, 40. Now 19 in the subtraction. So she thinks 21 add 19, that is 40. 40 divided by 5, that is 8. Means your answer is correct. Again, she thinks the number, that is x, add 19 to that, so x plus 19, whatever result you get, divide it with 5. So we have x plus 19 divided by 5, answer is 8. Here 5 is in a whole denominator, so we need to multiply 5 on right side. 8 5s are 40. Now 19 on subtraction, 40 minus 90 is 20. Now next, Anwar thinks the number if he takes away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number. So which number? We don't know, so the left number he thinks is x, or you can say z. Okay. Subtract or take away means subtraction. Subtract 7 from what? 5 by 2 of the number. Which number? That is z. So 5 by 2 of z is 5 by 2z. Take away 7 from 5 by 2 of the number, that is 5 by 2z minus 7, result is 20. Now what we need to find? Z. So we need to remove the variable on numbers constant on right side. We need to find the variable z and move the constant 1 by 1 on right side. 7 is in a subtraction, become addition. Plus 7. So 5 by 2 z is equal to 30. Now 2 is in a divide, become multiplication. And 5 is in multiplication, become division. You can cut the common factor. So z is equal to 12. Means which number he thinks? He thinks 12. 5 by 2 of 12, that is